For practice it self-check 1.14 test of knowledge, we are asked what series of println statements would produce the following output. We have our output right here, and we have to write all of this. So we're going to need a couple system.out.println statements. We have our first one here, and in it we're going to have our quotes like this, and then we will have our first string like this, simply written out in here. Next we will have our second println statement. We'll have our quotes in here like this, and then we'll write what we're asked to, and it is knowledge of, and then we need a quotation mark, so we need a backslash quote, and then quotes, backslash quote to have the quotes used, and then we have, that's actually the end of that line. So now we move on to the next line. We have another system out statement. In here we need our quotes, and then we write in string literals. And that's surrounded by single quotes. Then we have our next line, which is blank, so we're just going to have a println statement like this. We go down to our next line, and then in here we have this text. We can just copy and paste that in here, surround it by quotes, and then we need quotes in here. So we're going to do a backslash quote right here, and then a backslash quote like this to get it in here. Now we have our next line, so we're going to take our sys out right here, and we need our quotes, and we are simply just going to write what it asks us. If you read the section on, and that's the end for that line. And then we move down to the next line where we're just printing out two single quotes, and then the word quotes, period, and then two single quotes again. And then if we submit this, it passes the test.